Hi everybody, working live with Children here at Tides USA in Boston. I'm delighted to join by Derek Levison from EMP Biotech and Isaac Houston from Buonomo Scientific. And we're going to find out a little bit about EMP Biotech and why they're here at Tides. So first of all, Derek, as always, it's a pleasure to see you. How are you, my friend?
I'm doing great. It's a pleasure to see you again, Riz, and it's great to be back in Boston.
Fantastic. Now, first question, can you give me a quick overview of EMP Biotech?
Sure. EMP Biotech, based in Berlin, Germany, manufactures all ancillary reagents for therapeutic oligonucleotide synthesis, including D-block, activator, capping, oxidizer. We do all of these in standard and in customized formulations for each client.
Brilliant. Now, obviously, all the companies do very similar services. What makes yours unique?
Well, we try to take the time to understand each individual customer's needs, find out what quality issues they have, delivery times, just treating every customer as an individual.
Fantastic. Now, obviously we're here at Tides this week, so why are you here at Tides?
We're here at Tides to make sure that our North American clients know that as of now, all of our reagents are available here in the United States and Canada.
Right. And how is that? So I can see Isaac's here. So how did Thomas Scientific fit in with the services that you offer?
Thomas is a very professional company. They have East and West Coast warehouses and can make quick deliveries. But actually, I wouldn't be the best person to represent them. That's why we have Isaac here.
Great. So Isaac, would you like to grab the microphone? I can ask.
Yeah, absolutely.
First of all, Isaac, it's lovely to meet you.
Nice to meet
Hope
you.
you're having a good show. So, can you give me a quick overview of Thomas Scientific and how you're working with EMP Biotech?
Yeah, so Thomas Scientific is one of the oldest and largest distributors in North America, and we are thrilled to partner with innovative companies such as EMP Biotech that really are here revolutionizing the field, and we want to assist them to grow and bring their product to market, and again, to serve their customers to the best of our ability.
Brilliant. So, for North American clients, how can we get more information?
So I think the best way is to reach out to either EMP directly or to Thomas Scientific. Either myself or any one of the Thomas Scientific representatives can help you, or you can go to the website, which is thomasscientific.com, and look us up there.
Brilliant. And Derek, for Europe and the rest of the world, if people aren't here, how can we get more information about EMP?
Then you can check our website or contact us in New Jersey.
Fantastic. Well, there you go, viewers. If you're here at Tides this week, come and talk to Derek, Isaac, and the rest of the team and find out more about the services that are offered here in North America. And if you're not here, then check out their LinkedIn pages and the website addresses. They will be above the video. So, Derek?
Next week we'll be in Vienna at the BPI Europe. In June we'll be in Milan at the IOPC, and at the end of August in Stockholm at the International Roundtable.
Fantastic. And there you go. I forgot to ask that, Derek, so thank you for answering that particular question. So there you go, viewers. You can meet the team in person, as Derek said, at those upcoming events. And I'm sure there are other events as well, which they're going to be at in North America as well. So until next time, as always, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.